The Desert. This story narrates the importance and beauty of desert. Many people have wrong beliefs about the desert, but this story let you know how beautiful and how valuable deserts are. So now let's start reading it. First of all, let's talk about the popular belief about the desert and it being a tropical garden. Those people who live in areas covered with forests and hills find it difficult to imagine how a desert look like. Most people believe that the desert is an endless stretch of sand. They think that it is dry, hot, waterless and without shelter. They feel there is no rainfalls in desert and because of it no vegetation grows there. But this is not completely correct. The specialists who studied desert, however, see the desert as a beautiful place. For them, a desert is the home of a variety of people, animal and plants that have learned to survive under such hot and dry conditions. In desert, land is not always covered with grass and plants. The rain is rare, but when it does, the desert flowers bloom and the desert becomes as beautiful as any tropical garden. Now, let's talk about an oasis. A desert is not always a flat land of dry sand. It may have mountains and hills. It may also have an oasis. An oasis in the middle of the desert is a comforting sight to the travelers. Such scenes are full of calmness among the harsh desert. An oasis is a green island in the middle of a desert where there is water which gives plants and trees a better chance to grow. Now, let's discuss the sustainability in the desert. A desert may be hot like the Thar Desert, which is located in northwest India, and it may be cold like Ladakh, which is lying in the Great Himalayas on the eastern side of Jammu and Kashmir. In general, when a place has little or no water and vegetation, people call it a desert. Sand dunes are found in those deserts which are almost totally without water. These dunes keep on shifting across the desert. Sand dunes are the heaps of sand deposited as mounds. It is raised by the strong winds that blow in deserts. Only few plants can survive on such dry and shifting sand. Now, let's talk about desert animals and plants. All creatures need water. The animals and plants of the desert are able to survive on less water. A camel, also known as the ship of the desert, can do without water for days together. The reason is that a camel can drink a lot of water at one time. Now, camels do not sweat, so they retain the water they drink for a long time. Smaller desert animals do not drink water. They hide in underground burrows during the day and come out to eat at night. This allows them to escape the extreme desert temperature. Some of them get the water they need from the animals they eat. Others eat plants and seeds. Thus, they get the needed water from plant juices. The smaller desert plants, such as cactus, store water in their thick stems. They quickly absorb moisture even from the light rains. The absence of the protective blanket. The main feature of all deserts is dryness and variations in temperature. In our cities and villages, the climate is humid. The moisture in the air acts like a blanket. It protects the earth from the hot rays of the sun. So the earth is not very hot during the day. The same cover doesn't let the heat go out during the night. So the earth is not very cold during the night. Thus, the variation in temperature during the 24 hours is not much. Since there is no such cover in the desert, there is much variation between the day and night temperature there. the temperature rises much during the day, in the same way it falls much during the night. The importance of desert. Desert is a gift of nature. Its importance is the same as that of other gifts of nature like forests and oceans. Just because deserts are hot and dry, one should not take deserts as useless part of earth, but we should consider it as a blessing of nature. Now I hope after listening to this beautiful story about the desert, your earlier perception about the desert might have changed and you must have understood the importance and value of the deserts.